The name Lammie is believed to have its roots in the diminutive form of lamb. This suggests a connection to the Norman family de Agnew, from whom the renowned Agnew of Locknaw in Wigtownshire lineage descends. The Norman influence in Scotland during the medieval period played a significant role in shaping the country's cultural and historical landscape. Historical records provide glimpses into the presence of the Lammie name throughout Scotland's history. Alexander Lammie, for instance, received a charter from King David II, granting him lands in the barony of Crail in Fife. Liolph and Nigel Lamby made appearances in Montrose between 1372 and 1379, indicative of the family's geographic spread and involvement in local affairs. The Lammie name is not without its share of notable associations. Andrew Lambie found himself accused of complicity in the murder of David Rizzio, the favoured courtier of Mary, Queen of Scots, in the Palace of Holyroodhouse in 1566. This dark episode in Scottish history further intertwines the Clan Lammie with the dramatic political landscape of the time. The Lammies, a branch of the clan, held the lands of Dunkenny as early as 1542 and continued their ownership well into the 20th century. This long-standing connection to their ancestral lands is a testament to the enduring ties and deep-rooted sense of belonging that characterized the Clan Lammie. The family arms of the Clan Lammie depict three bishops' croziers and a saltire in base. This symbolic representation may be linked to the family's connection with the prestigious Archbishopric of St. Andrews. Notably, Archbishop Lamberton, who served as Chancellor of Scotland, and is believed to have authored the historic Declaration of Arbroath, stands as the most distinguished figure associated with the name.